This is a what's in the box for Codinca. This, I believe, is a 1 to 4 player game. Let's see. 2 to 4 player game. And it's pretty short, so let's take a look and see what's inside. If we can open it. Oh, looks like it opens up with a, and they spent a lot of money on this. They even did the clasp, the magnetic clasp. So it's got some rules in various languages in case you don't speak English. It's got some ton of these coasters, which are probably patterns you're trying to make. Let's see if there's anything else underneath. And then some really nice azul, like giant azul style tiles. Different colors and patterns. They're all actually really nice. Which is pretty impressive. Let's see if there's anything. I don't think there's anything underneath this. So take a look at a few more of these tiles. They all look really good. So fairly impressive production. I don't know how the game plays yet, but there you have it. That is what's in the box of Codinca. If you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe.